From Hydro Innovations, the Ragazzini Rotho range of positive displacement peristaltic pumps have a roller-on bearings design so that the pump housing does not need to be filled with lubrication fluid, making them safer and easier to maintain. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Now, the pump is self-priming, seal-less, can run dry without damage, and apart from the flanges, only one part is in contact with the pumped fluid. The system is widely used in water and wastewater treatment, the food and beverage industry, chemical industry, as well as construction, amongst others. Ragazzini pumps are available with a wide variety of hose options to suit abrasive and or corrosive applications, and are also available with food-grade hoses capable of being sterilised with hot water or with steam. Now, the built-in leak detector is a float-type sensor and is located at the lowest point in the pump. The pump casting, which is not filled with lubricating fluid, along with the leak detector speed, minimises contamination and product loss as well. Ragazzini peristaltic pumps are perfect to clean in place or sanitize in place applications when fitted with the optional retractable roller. In this system, one of the rollers can be retracted via an over-center rapid release cam and lever system. Now, this enables full flow of the flushing, cleaning, sanitizing fluid through that hose. This new positioning system is essential for fully automated foodstuff handling applications that require regular cleaning and sterilisation of all the components in contact with the product. Now, these pumps can deliver as little as 0.2 of a litre per hour and up to 180,000 litres per hour. Pressures of 15 bar can be achieved and solid particles can be passed through the pump. It can also be run in reverse, making it ideal for tank emptying and filling operations as well. Now, for more information on anything you've heard here, please email Hydro Innovations at info@hydroinnovations.com.au or give them a call 02 9898 1800. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.